If you love plane watching, then you'll definitely love this restaurant. Today we are going to PK Restaurant in London near Heathrow Airport, where you can have delicious food along with some amazing views. Hi, I'm Pooja from Color Me in Style. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to Color Me in Style. If you're new here, we are all about luxury travel, hotel reviews, hidden gems and honest restaurant reviews from around the world, from Maldives, water villas to some of the best food spots in London. So if that sounds like your vibe, definitely make sure you subscribe. Today we are trying an authentic Indian restaurant on the rooftop of Courtyard by Marriott, right next to the Heathrow Airport. So come with us to try the PK restaurant. This is the entrance of Courtyard by Marriott. They've got a little cafe and a Starbucks as well out there. The lobby is quite spacious and there's a lot of place to sit around. But we are going to the top floor to PK restaurant. Bookings are recommended here because you get these kind of views. PK restaurant actually serves amazing Indian food and we got a reservation quite easily and we booked online. So the restaurant has like indoor, outdoor seating, and I would highly recommend going outdoors. They also have like a little pod situation going on as well, which I'll show you in a bit. But yeah, this is the bar and here we are, we're sitting outside. And as you can see, there's like plenty of spaces to sit, and this is our view. You can just see the runway from here quite clearly. So here is the glass pod that is on the gallery area, and you can book this for bigger groups. And over here you'll find many photographers and aeroplane enthusiasts who are actually doing the same thing as us, looking at the plane's landing. This is a very nice place to view the runway. As you can see here, lots of people are checking out the landing strip. I may have just given a secret away, guys. Let's check out some plane landings and then we'll look at the food.
I'm just going to take a snapshot. It's actually better not to wait. Wow, that's big. Oh my. How big is this thingy?
Quite big.
Not quite. Very big. Wow. Let's win. Just take a picture of this one. I'm going to see the next one. If it's big, we're staying, but if it's not big, then we're going. Okay? It's blurry.
Now let's look at the food and the drinks. This is my pina colada, and oh my god, it was so amazing. We've also got some more drinks. Cocktails were great. This was the chicken, I think it was the tandoori chicken. Then we had some biryani for our mains and some butter chicken with naan. I can't tell you how beautiful the food was. I would say 10 on 10 definitely. Just look at the consistency. And here is the chicken biryani. For dessert, we just had some ice cream. One thing I really like about this place is that it doesn't just feel like an airport hotel restaurant. Like, it actually feels like a proper evening spot where you can relax, enjoy good food, and spend time plane spotting. Now, at this hotel, you also have the Sky Bar, which is on the same floor but on the other side. However, they don't have the exact view that the gallery at PK restaurant does. So this gallery bit is where you can just sit with a drink for as long as you like and just, do your plane spotting. Whereas at the Sky Bar, you've got like a side view. So there's less space, which will have direct access to the Heathrow landing strip. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.